Hi, welcome to SCM 3301. I would like to walk you through the process for creating a MyOMLab account, for registering with MyOMLab. Now, MyOMLab, we're going to be using it extensively in the course. It is required for you to create a MyOMLab account. The MyOMLab account will give you access to the guided learning modules and the quizzes that are part of the graded assignments that you're going to be doing for this course. One of the other advantages to having this account is that you'll have access to all kinds of resources that our publisher, the publisher for our textbook, has put online. The best way to get into MyOMLab and register for MyOMLab is to go in directly through our Blackboard website. So the way you get in is over here on the left-hand side. You look for the link on the left that says MyOMLab. Click on that link. It will open up all kinds of resources for you to explain to you how to log in to MyOMLab. The video here that you're watching is here, as well as written instructions on frequently asked questions or instructions for registering, and some other video and written help to help you navigate through MyOMLab, including how to convert a temporary account to full status if that's something that you are interested in later in the semester. The links you're going to need are up here at the top. They're the Pearson links. The one that we're going to go to first is the link that says MyOMLab Course Home. This will take you directly to MyOMLab's website, and then once you've registered with MyOMLab, then you can go directly to your MyOMLab by just clicking on this link. So I'll click on that link now, and it will take me to the registration page. And this is within Blackboard. It's just telling you that you're going to be leaving Blackboard now, and so we'll say yes. Let's leave back Blackboard. Sometimes when clicking through to MyOMLab for the first time, you will be presented with this registration page. If you are not, I'm going to explain next what to do, and then I'll come back to this page and go to the MyOMLab registration link. There's a place here to sign in if you already have a Pearson account. We are going to create a Pearson account and just assume that we don't have one. I'm going to click on create, and then you're going to be at this link here. So this is just a normal web registration dialog box that has you put in email and usernames and passwords and security questions and answers and those sorts of things, and then you're gonna click on the create the account button after you've entered all this. When presented with the registration page, if you have purchased an access code or a textbook with access code from the bookstore, you'll enter the access code using the link on the left. If you are just registering for MyOMLab and you will get the e-text going along with that registration, you will click on the link to the right. Most of you will probably be clicking on the link to the right to gain access to MyOMLab along with a copy of the e-text. Then it comes to a page and it's going to load. So this is where it's going to create the account for you and set you up with links between Blackboard and MyOMLab. So it does take a few seconds, and 20 seconds or so to load up. So we'll wait and let it do that. And then you're done. And so when you click Go to My Courses, it will open up MyOMLab. And so here is the MyOMLab website. It's got all of the assignments, quizzes, learning modules, the e-text here because I use that access code. And so this is exactly the same thing that you'll see. And I've got another video on Blackboard that describes how to use MyOMLab, so you can take a look at that. Now here's what one thing I wanted to show you. If I close these windows here, close all these, and I go, this is back in Blackboard. Okay, so went home, that's okay. Just take another minute. If I go to our class, SCM 3301, and I click on the MyOMLab link, and then from the MyOMLab link, I click on the MyOMLab Course Home link, it takes us away from Blackboard and it will launch directly into MyOMLab. So you will, once you've logged into Blackboard, you won't have to log in again to MyOMLab if you're logging in from that same computer. If you're sharing a computer with a classmate of yours, then you're going to need to, each of you will need to create a MyOMLab account that is associated with your Blackboard account. And I will tell you that the MyOMLab keys off of the cookies on your browser. So if possible, use a different browser. So for instance, I'm using Firefox right now, but you could use Internet Explorer, you could use Chrome, whatever other browsers that you have, or make sure that at the very least you close the browser, reopen the browser, and if possible, if you know how to delete the cookies, delete the cookies. Most browsers have up here like a tools link, a menu with a tools link that has something in there about privacy, where you can go to the privacy link and you can erase cookies. And if you do that, then it'll sort of clear that link for you, enabling you to register for MyOMLab if your friend has already done it on the same computer ahead of you. I'm really looking forward to the semester with you. Good luck with this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in class.